Hey, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and anywhere else I decide to post this, maybe even next door. This is Jason with Classic Touch Floor Care. And I'm just showing you what we've got going on today. This is a basement carpet cleaning. We've got a client who is moving in and they want to get their basement carpet cleaned, sanitized, and deodorized and protected. And it's a great choice in this option. They've got young kids, and this is going to be the kids area, so they want to make sure that this area is safe for kids. And the previous owner had some dogs, and so we're going to make sure that we get up any pet dander and completely clean this out and make it totally safe for kids to hang out, be all over the floor. They're little kids. Do notice some stains here. We're going to see how these come out. Hopefully I can get them very close to out, but that's going to be interesting. So check in at the end and see what that looks like. It is dirty. They had a carpet. They must have had a rug right here. So we got some wear patterns around the edges, but we'll clean the dirt up around there and it'll look a lot better. So just wanted to show everybody just a lot of little staining, a lot of little stains here, probably food spills, things of that sort. And then the stairs have some wear and some dirt on the bullnose right there. So taking a look at it, going to be interesting to see how it turns out. I'm making a video here. Here's a nice stain right here. That one, we'll take care of that one. That looks like a spill possibly. But this is what it looks like before. Just did a pre-vacuum to get up as much soil and dander and pet hair as possible. Doesn't look like there's much hair on the carpet, but sometimes looks can be deceiving. All right, I'm gonna get to it. All right, we got about half of it done here. Just showing you one big development though, since I last talked, is I did a quick fiber ID. I had some suspicions on what this was, and I determined that through a burn test, took a small piece of fabric outside, that this is actually wool. And you can tell that when you do a little burn test on it. Just a very small piece of fiber, and then you burn it, you can see the ash, and I did that outside. And so cleaning it then changes things quite a bit. I've got to use a pH cleaner that matches the wool fiber, and because it's a natural wool fiber, natural wool stains a lot better. That means it's going to be a lot more difficult to get out stains. So some of these stains have not come out, and I have some processes I'm going to work on to try and get them out. But other than that, it's still looking pretty good. It is cleaning up nicely, so it is getting clean. It's just a few of these stains may or may not come out because it's a natural fiber, and that's just something with wool that you have to deal with, is trying to make it look as good as it can. But it's a really nice piece of carpet down here. Like I said, I'm about to spray and then clean this spot right here. And let's see if we can get this stain up or lighten it a little bit. So I'm gonna spray it here. And again, this is a wool safe cleaning product. I'm gonna clean this little square here. And we're using a low moisture method. So we're not gonna leave it soaking wet. It's going to be dry in about an hour. All right. Now let's see what we can do with that stain. on camera, it looks like we lightened it up a little bit, so that's some improvement there. In person, though, it looks a lot better. Sometimes the camera can play tricks on you. We've got a little stain here. So I'll continue working on these stains and be back to show you the final product. All right, so taking a look here, this is what it looks like in the end here. Very nice. Couple rust stains wasn't able to remove down here, but everything else looks really good and protected, deodorized. And that is how you clean a wool carpet.